You want Control T to do something else. Or you want one key that jumps straight to your bookmarks. So let me give you the honest answer first, because almost every video on this dodges it. Chrome will not let you remap its own built-in shortcuts. There is no setting for it, and despite what you have read, there is no hidden flag either. That is a deliberate decision by Google, not an oversight. But here is the part that actually matters. Chrome does have a real built-in shortcut manager. It is sitting at chrome://extensions/shortcuts, and almost nobody opens it. Type that into your address bar right now. Then stay with me, because there is a way to override Chrome's built-in keys as well, and it is not where you would think to look. So let's start with that page, because it is the one genuinely native answer. Chrome://extensions/shortcuts lists every extension you have installed that can accept a keyboard command. Each extension can register up to 4 of them, and here is the catch that confuses people. Those slots ship empty. The developer defines what the command does, but Chrome deliberately leaves the key unassigned so that a new extension cannot quietly steal a combination you already use. Click the box next to any action, press the keys you want, and it saves the moment you let go. There is no save button. If that combination is already taken, Chrome simply refuses it and the box stays empty. Now, the part of that page most people scroll straight past. To the right of every shortcut, there is a small drop down and it says In Chrome. Open it and you will find a second option, Global. In Chrome means the shortcut only fires while a Chrome window is focused. Global means it fires anywhere in your operating system, even when Chrome is minimized and you're working in a completely different app. That one drop-down turns an extension into a system-wide tool. It is the most useful setting on the page, and it is switched off by default. Which brings us back to why you cannot touch the built-in keys. It is not laziness. Chrome's standard shortcuts are a kind of contract. Support articles, help desks, and every tutorial on the internet assume that Ctrl+W closes a tab and Ctrl+T opens one. If every install could redefine those, none of that guidance would be reliable and a shared computer would become genuinely confusing. So Google froze them. That is annoying if you are a power user, and completely sensible if you have ever tried to talk a relative through a problem over the phone. But if you are on a Mac, there is a real way around it, and it does not involve Chrome at all. It lives in the operating system. Open System Settings, click Keyboard in the sidebar, then Keyboard Shortcuts, and choose App Shortcuts on the left. Click the plus button. Set Application to Google Chrome. Now the important field. Menu title has to match the wording in Chrome's menu bar exactly, character for character. If the menu says New Incognito Window, you type New Incognito Window. Not incognito on its own, not New Incognito. Exactly what is written. Then press the keys you want and click Done. Two things make or break this one. First, if the command lives inside a submenu, you join the levels with a hyphen and a greater than sign, typed with no spaces around it. So a command sitting under Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager is written as Bookmarks arrow Bookmark Manager. Second, if the combination you pick is already in use somewhere else, your new shortcut simply will not fire. macOS does not warn you about this, it just quietly does nothing. So if your new shortcut seems dead on arrival, a clash is almost always the reason. On Windows, there is no equivalent built into the system, but Microsoft gives you one for free. It is called PowerToys, and inside it, there is a tool called Keyboard Manager. It lets you remap individual keys and whole combinations, and more importantly, it can scope a remap to a single application, so a key can behave one way in Chrome and normally everywhere else. It is a Microsoft tool rather than a random download, which matters when you are letting something sit between your keyboard and everything you type. There is also the extension route, and this is where you get closest to true custom commands. An extension called Shortkeys exists purely to bind keys to browser actions. Install it, open its options, and you can map a combination to things like closing every tab to the right, muting the current tab, or jumping to the bottom of a page. Because it is an extension, it also appears on that shortcuts page we opened at the start, which means you can give it a global trigger too. Extensions run with real access to your browsing, so install this one from the Chrome Web Store and read its reviews before you trust it. If you are on a Chromebook, you get something the other platforms do not. ChromeOS added a proper shortcut customizer to the system itself. Open Settings, go to Device, then Keyboard, and look for Customized Shortcuts. You can reassign system level shortcuts there and reset any of them back to default if you go too far. It is the only place in this entire video where you can genuinely rewrite a built-in shortcut without a third-party tool sitting in the middle. Now the myth, because you are going to run into it. A lot of articles and a lot of automatically generated videos will tell you there is a hidden flag at Chrome://flags that unlocks shortcut remapping. There is not. Open that page and search it for the word shortcut yourself and you will find nothing of the kind. That advice gets copied from post to post because it sounds plausible. Chrome flags switch on experimental features. They have never exposed a key binding editor. A few limits are worth knowing before you go rebuilding your whole keyboard. Some combinations are reserved by the operating system and Chrome never even sees them, so they will not work no matter what you assign. Anything the browser treats as a security boundary is off limits too. And whatever you set, test it on a page that is actually doing something rather than a blank new tab, because some conflicts only show up once a real site has focus. So the honest summary, you cannot remap Chrome's built-in shortcuts from inside Chrome. Use Chrome://extensions/shortcuts for extension commands and switch that drop-down to global to make them work everywhere. On a Mac, override real menu commands through system settings and app shortcuts, matching the menu wording exactly. On Windows, use Microsoft PowerToys. On a Chromebook, use the built-in customizer and ignore anyone who tells you there is a flag for this. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome, explained properly.